So do you have spatial data inside of Amazon Redshift that you'd like to see on a map? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get this done in less than 1 minute. It's going to be quick, easy, and visually powerful. This is Felt, a user-friendly and robust platform for creating maps, apps, and dashboards that seamlessly connects to your data source. Let's get set up with Redshift. For the first step, open up the library by clicking on the book icon in the toolbar. Over on the left, click on New Source and navigate to Amazon Redshift. This is where you can give your source a name and then enter all of your database connection details. Pro tip, if you copy and paste your database URL or connection string, it will automatically parse all of the connection details correctly. Down at the bottom, you can specify who has access to the source. Once you're connected, you'll find an incredibly useful preview layout where you can explore your data before adding it to the map. This provides a nice overview of each dataset, including a preview of the geometry on the map, as well as a look at the data table. All I have left to do now is click Add to Map. And there you have it. As promised, in less than 1 minute, I've taken my data from Amazon Redshift and put it on my map. With Felt, it really is that easy. To learn more, follow the link in the description.